Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, April the 16th. Wow, I cannot believe it's halfway through April. If you are new, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Also click that notification bell to all. You will know when all my videos are popping up when you click that notification bell. Also, please join me on my social media platforms with Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. I share a lot of short and visual deals on those platforms. Guys, in this video, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. No need to write any of these deals down. I do want to apologize before we start. The tags in my store were misplaced. They accidentally put the tags for next week's sales up, so you will see the wrong tags in the video, but I clarified it as I spoke. So please be mindful of that as you are watching the video. Let's get started. Starting off with this Nexus deal, these are going to be $4.89 each after we do our deals. So I'm going to be picking up the cheapest ones they have in this one because you just need to buy 2 Nexus products. You don't need to get to any kind of threshold limit. So just 2 products. I'm going to get the Nexus conditioner. It's $10.99. And then I'm going to get this leave-in spray. This is like a heat protectant spray. It's $12.79. So those 2 products end up being $11.89 pretty much each on my spreadsheet. So when we buy 2 things, it's going to be $23.78. We do have this high-valued $10 Nexus coupon on the CVS app when you buy 2 of the Nexus products. And then also when you buy 2 of the products, you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks. So that's going to be $14 in savings right there. And guys, remember, we're just doing digital savings, so we don't have to do much. Just use our CVS app. So with the $10 coupon and the $4 you'll receive back in extra care bucks, your total will be $9.78 for these, or just $4.89 each. Guys, this is a deal we get all the time on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioners. These are going to be just $1.79 each. So you're going to pick up 2 of these L'Oreal Elvives. They're $5.29. Your total will be $10.58. We do have a $3 coupon on the coupons app. You may have a $3 coupon on your CVS app, but I do not this week. So a $3 coupon on the CVS app, on the coupons app, and you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks. That will take your total to $3.58 for the both, or $1.79 each with that coupons app and extra care bucks. Okay, so we got a deal on the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These are usually $6.99, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one 40% off. Because of that, your total for each one is $5.60, or when you buy them together, of course you're going to, it's going to be $11.20. Now, with that, buying both of them, you have a $4 coupon on the CVS app, and then you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks for buying both of those. So, with the $4 coupon and the $4 extra care bucks, your total will be $3.20 for these, or just $1.60 each. So this is my favorite deal today. It's on the Degree Antiperspirant. Make sure you get the one that's $6.29 or more. Make sure you're scanning them in the store, because the ones that are $4.79 do not apply to this coupon that you see here. So these are $6.29 each. So buy one, get one 50% off. And this tag is wrong. Don't pay attention to it. So they're buy one, get one 50% off. Each one is going to be $4.79. Nope, 72 cents. And then your total will be $9.44 when you buy both. You can use this $4 coupon that you see here, and you'll get back $4 extra care bucks. My store actually put out the wrong extra care buck marker. So both of them is going to be $1.44, which is amazing. And that's going to make them just 72 cents each. Great deal on these. So these Chic Extreme Bamboo razors are just $6.79. And so you're going to pick up 2 of them, which your total then is going to be $13.58. This deal is amazing. So what you're going to do is when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back $3 extra care bucks. But you're able to use one of these $4 coupons here, and then that you see on the coupons app, and then you're able to use one of the $4 coupons on the CVS app because you're buying 2. So you're getting back $3 extra care bucks. You're using $8 in coupons. Your total after your extra care bucks and coupons is $2.58 or just $1.29 each. Great deal on these bamboo razors. It would not be a Sunday in South Carolina without some cheap toothpaste. So the Colgate Total, these are the ones that are 3.3 ounces. If you buy 2 of them, you'll get back $6 extra care bucks. That's a high value in extra care bucks for buying these. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of them. Each one is $4.79. The total will be $9.58 for these. Like I said, you'll get back $6 in extra care bucks. You also are going to use $2 in coupons. There is a $1 coupon on the CVS app, and then there's also a $1 coupon on the coupons app. So that's $2 in coupons. So with the $2 in coupons, the $6 extra care bucks, your total will be $1.58 or just 79 cents each. I've been couponing at CVS since 2009, and this is the first time I've ever seen them do a spend $25, get back $8. So this was new and interesting. I was really excited about it because it made this deal pretty easy. What I did was I picked up one of the Tide pods that are on sale for $12.99. They're usually $16.99, and then I picked up one of the Tide liquid. They're usually $19.49, and it's on sale for $12.99. Now, what's going to happen is this is going to get us to our threshold of $25. So our total for both of these are going to be $25.98 before coupons and deals. Then you're going to clip this $3 coupon for the Tide detergent 92 ounce and this $3 coupon for the Tide Pods 32 count or more. That's $6 in coupons. Don't forget, we're also going to get back $8 in extra care bucks. So after the deals, the $6 in coupons, the $8 in extra care bucks, your total for both of these is $11.98 or just $5.99 per container of Tide. Of course, you can do other deals with this, but this is the deal I did for me. Do what works for you. There's paper towel products and toilet paper products that may work for you, but just do what works for you inside of your store. I did want to add in, there are other items for the spend $25, get back $8. And so if you want to, this Cottonelle is only $5, and we have a $1 coupon on the app. If you don't have this $1 coupon on the app, I know that there is a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app. So we'll just make this toilet paper just $4 each if you wanted to do this in your spend $25, get back $8 deal. So we have the General Mills cereal this week. Please ignore the yellow tag, that's wrong. So this cereal is going to be $3.79 each. And then because you buy a second box, it's buy one, get one free. So $3.79 each. We do have this $1 coupon you're going to be using on that. It's going to bring your total down to $2.79. And then we also are going to get back a $1 in extra care bucks. So it's going to bring it down even more to $1.79. And then we have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebates on these. And because we're buying 2 boxes, it's going to be $1 off, which will bring it down to 79 cents for both boxes, or about 40 cents per box. In addition to the amazing IBOTTA bonuses going on with General Mills right now, there is a primo offer on the Fetch website, the Fetch app, excuse me. So what will happen is when you spend $35 on the General Mills products, you'll get back $2.50. I plan on going to CVS today and getting a ton of General Mills cereal because it is so cheap. We do have the IBOTTA rebates, and I do have some other coupons. Of course, I won't get back the other dollars on extra care bucks, but this just all adds up and makes me really happy. So make sure that you combine all of these rebate apps. This is such a good deal. Wow. These are going to be on the ThermaCare Advanced Back Pain. This is on the 2 count. So make sure you get the 2 count boxes and you're scanning it with your app to make sure. Do not get the 1 count. The 1 count is not what you want to get. So the 2 count is $8.49. I totally forgot to take a picture of it in the store, so I had to go in my app and find this one. So it's $8.49 for these. We have a $3 coupon on the CVS app. Really good coupon, high value coupon on this. And then just for buying one of these, we're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. Like, that's insane. $5 extra care bucks just for buying one of these, high valued. So with a $3 on the CVS app coupon and the $5 in extra care bucks, we're going to pay just 49 cents. That is a killer deal right there. I was so excited to pick these up. So my final coupon that I used at the register was the $10 off 70. We usually get these printed off on our receipt to use on the next purchase, so I was able to use that as well. My total for all of these items, these 10 items, were $25.43. And our original total when we started off before any additional savings was like $120. So pay just $25 for everything you see here. Guys, please don't forget to comment below your favorite deal of the day. That helps me a ton.